Ladies and gentlemen. So today we are here for the summer program products that Univariety has introduced. I will tell you what these products are, and as a counselor, why it is important for you to think about positioning products to the students. And then, of course, what is the commission structure? What is your earning? And then finally, how you're going to market this actually. So I will share a presentation. However, if you have any question, you can ask me in between, raise your hand, or just simply unmute and ask. Make sure you don't have background noise. If you have background noise, please don't unmute. You have be in a quiet place. I'll just give me a second before I start. Okay. So let me share my screen and then we start the session. Okay, here we go. All right, can you see the screen? Is everybody fine? My voice, everything. So let's start the session now. Okay. So the first thing is that we are counselors. We are into consulting business. We consult people in their career choices. So let's think how the consulting business works worldwide actually of different professions. So basically, their main earning is from the products they recommend to the students actually, or to their clients actually. So they recommend their products to their clients, um, like us. So we have in this we you will find when you go. Say I give this example, when you go to a salon, maybe the main service might be a haircut, but they would like to position their services and other products. So products like they might recommend take a serum or a shampoo or some other beauty product. Similarly, if you go to a financial consultant and if you're seeking help, they might end up recommending you to take up some mutual funds or some fixed deposits or some kind of investment in the insurance. So this is how the consulting business works. We as counselors should also be open to recommend products. So one is our core service, that is the counseling service, the half an hour, 45 minutes or an hour that you spend with a student or parent explaining, giving them clarity about their career choices and other services that you offer. Sometimes you end up recommending products like psychometric test. So that's also a category of product. I see most of the counselors do that. But there are many other products which you actually can recommend and which can actually increase your earning opportunities. All right. Where to get these products? You can partner with Univariety. Univariety has come up with a lot of products, some of our own, and some we have partnered with some other organizations. Okay, so this is about why it is important. You should recommend products. This gives a great earning opportunity. Your audience increases. The main thing is that, say for example, a student might be doing engineering. Okay, might be thinking to do engineering. Now the student has clarity. Obviously, the student may not look for a counseling service from you, but you can recommend the student to take up maybe a internship, a virtual internship like VIP what we have. That okay, you can take this up, and this can give you more clarity on what engineering you could do. Either it is maybe chemical engineering or mechanical engineering or civil or architecture. So so this way you recommend products actually. uh, so I think this part is clear and I'm moving forward. If you have any questions, please unmute and you can speak. All right. So then comes the next product opportunity. Okay. So Univariety has come up with, so this summer is exciting. The normally we see as counselors, the exams gets over, and the summertime students are free, and that is a big opportunity for us as counselors. It's a big earning opportunity. A lot of people look for services from us, counseling services, like they don't have enough clarity. And of course Univariety has come up with these tracks, what we call four different type of tracks, which I'm going to speak to you in the next slides. These tracks are for students, how they can utilize their time in the summer. Okay, so you can recommend these tracks to the student, these programs to the students. They definitely get benefited out of it. And of course your earning opportunity increases here, your audience base also increases here.
Hi, I just have a question regarding the internship, if you can help answering.
Yes, so I will cover it up. We have
Yeah,
this in the slide, so I
sure.
will I will take it up once this that slide comes up.
Yeah,
Okay,
thanks.
great. So let's understand. Some of us are from the 80s, some of us are from the 90s. So we remember 80s, what we used to do, eat mangoes, and that's what student used to do in the summertime. And we used to watch Shah Rukh Khan's movies, repeat several time, and those VCP and VCRs. So that's how normally usually used to happen in 80s and 90s. But today it's different actually. Okay, today you cannot just simply waste the time actually. A student should think of utilizing the summer in a very proper way. Why? Because we can see what's happening in the education in the school and the college sector. This is the data that we have. 2010 we have 7 lakh students. 2019 we have 12 lakh students passing grade 12 actually. And you can also see here that more than 90% marks. 2010 it was 17,000 students were getting. 2019 74,000 students score more than 90% marks actually. So this is why a student should utilize their summer time properly, so that they are ahead. So many students with such high grades actually, they can be ahead of the other students in fact. Right, so summer, okay, summer is a great time for student because no schools, no exams, and lot of free time. Either the time, as I was telling, either the time could be wasted or you can get ahead of competition. So as a counselor, you can speak to your students that to utilize, whoever are in your network, who actually, to utilize the summer properly. Uh, this is a very popular concept in the West. Out of every 3 students, the US attend some the such planned summer programs actually. India, of course, increasing popularity in India too. 28% parent from 300 schools that Univariety work. We did a survey. Almost around 30% of the parents want their kids to utilize their summertime in an efficient way actually. So good that India parents have started thinking, and people have started utilizing this summer time properly. So what is this planned summer program? We guide with a defined objective. This is about 2 to 6 weeks long. This during the summer break. It has multiple categories like engineering, business management, mass communication, design, etc. And of course, these are experiential in nature. They can explore, and of course, this have uh, right. They also get certificates around it actually. Benefits of summer program: if you're speaking to a student or a parent, get a feel of the career they want, to help to make an informed choice. Proven to improve seriousness towards studies. So this we have seen a big thing. If a student is not having clarity of what they want to do, they don't want to put effort in studies also. But if they get that, okay, I have to do fashion, or I have to do law or engineering, the seriousness increases. They come to know what are the what are the entrance exams around it, and then the seriousness also increases of the student actually in studies. Build a strong profile and stay ahead of competition. That's what we were speaking. Definitely, they can make a profile, and they can put across to the admission panel of the universities and colleges that this is what I have utilized my time, what I used to do from grade 8 to grade 12, how I have utilized, how other things I have learned, and how I've explored to a to a particular career actually. That have obviously increased admission chance at top university. That this is not university never want students to drop out actually. That's the biggest fear now universities are getting. Reason being, student just the choice happens just through through the most of them, the student what their parents say, they take those choices, and then of course the dropout and the frustration comes around. So if they explore this kind of internship summer programs, which are experiential in nature, definitely when they are able to prove it to the admission officer that I this choice was mine and I explored and I understood. Say for example, if a student is sitting in front of the admission panel of a law university, definitely, obviously the student have the basic criteria the student is fulfilled. After that, if they are sitting, obviously they put across a profile that I have done a summer program in law or internship in law, and then I have come here for your admission. The admission officer definitely get impressed actually. Develop social skills, confidence, and network. We know that obviously with these kind of programs, student. So 2020 summer, what's it going to be? What it was actually, sorry, 2020. We have seen this happening. Pivot everywhere, work from home. The parents used to work from home, but it was hell for the students actually. Uh, 2021 summer, students are ready to thrive while being smart and safe, right? So they will do a lot of things. They will be, obviously still situations are not that great, but people have understood how to cope up with the situation. They know how to be safe, and of course they are smart actually. So 2021 summer is a great opportunity for us as counselor, and we can utilize this time properly. uh, the student can also utilize. So basically we call it the and summer actually. So welcome to this and summer. Why it is called the and summer? In the ants, students can enjoy like summers are meant to be, and learn and prepare for a bright future, right? So that's why we call it the ant summer. They do it all. They play gully cricket in the morning, uh, they do virtual internship during the day, and spend time with the grandparents in the evening. So that's why we are calling it the ant summer, right? Talking to a counselor in the morning, psychometric test during the day, movie in the night, right? So that's why we call it the and summer. And any questions so far? All right, I move forward then. The summer programs. So Univariety has come up with summer programs. We call it 4 tracks actually. Okay, so let's understand these tracks. So first track is the profile building track. Uh, Finalize career choices, customize roadmap and programs, completing 2 to 3 programs, college focus CV. So basically what happens in profile building is used mostly for students who are looking at the non-STEM courses and study abroad actually. So these two areas, profile building comes up very clearly. So in this, we call it the 3C, the college, career, and college, career, and course finalization. So that happens there in the beginning. If anybody is, and if any student is taking up the profile building program from us, and then a customized. So basically, profile building is the techno with the help of the technology and the counselor. We help them to build a roadmap So the next 6 months or 3 months or 1 year, how you're going to manage this time, what are the other activities, the beyond academics activities that you need to do. As I was telling that earlier, that makes your profile strong, and that help you in college admission, and a focused college focused CV is created. So that's about the profile building. We will have detailed trainings on these, separate webinars on each summer tracks. This is just an overview. 6 weeks, what is required? A student can this takes about 6 weeks. This is ideally for students of 8th grade to 12th grade. It costs 20,000 rupees. Okay. This then comes the internship. So internships. So this is basically for students who want to explore, who want to understand what are the various careers. Like for example, a student. If you speak to a student, they might think fashion designing. Okay. Normally, a student thinks that fashion designing is maybe ramp walks and this kind of glamorous world. However, fashion designer end up sitting in the downtown, stitching the dresses with the tailor actually. So the student, when they do this internship, they actually come to know what these careers are all about. And so students can explore and they can come to a conclusion which career is suitable. Say for example, if the student is thinking about student is thinking 3 4 careers, the student has not decided, a student is exploring. As a counselor, you can obviously recommend these internship to them. We have about 18 categories. If they fall in, you can tell them. And so this helps them to explore. As a package, when we say internship, we give them to explore 10 careers, 10 virtual internships they can do, understand about that career, and take decision what it is suitable for them. This happens online. And so these are typically about, it takes for a student about 3 to 4 hours to understand each career. They can do it one by one each day, and obviously they understand exactly if somebody says them what a CA does, they will actually work virtually. There are simulations, and they understand what exactly a CA does, and then they can decide that I really want to do CA or not actually. So these, we have 18 different types of virtual internship, out of which the if they enroll for the internship program, the counselor will recommend them 10 virtual internships. And then we have the new age marketing career internship. This is by, we have collaborated with the famous multinational brand Puma. So there you get an opportunity, the student gets an opportunity to also do this virtual internship with Puma. So 10 VIPs and 1 Puma. So this is the internship, the summer track that we have. It takes about 4 weeks for the student to complete. Students of 8th grade to 12th grade, this cost also around 20,000. So is it clear so far? Sorry.
Yes, and how to book these summer programs? So who's the point of contact in the university?
So Radhika will be the point of contact for these summer tracks. I will the next presentation, I will tell you when we are see normal virtual internships. You can if somebody wants 1 or 2, you can get in touch with Radhika from the supporting, who can help you purchase this. What would be your pricing and what price you can recommend to the student. However, these summer tracks, I will let you know what are the plans around it in the next slides, when we can start recommending it to the students and how we are going to do it.
Are these only for super counselors, or any of us who have done our GCC and counseling students can recommend?
It's for everyone, anybody who has done GCC.
Okay, thank you.
And one more thing, when we talk about internships, when the student take these internships, so how does the branding take place? Is it the university branding or the normal counselor's branding also takes place?
So for this, all the summer program, university branding is there.
Okay, so if we want to put our branding, so it won't come up. It would be only the university.
No, it won't come up. See, these are special packages which are made That helps you to see what the thing is that so students can you when you are speaking to a student you can recommend these things. So I will tell you even the delivery will happen by Univer counselors only. We will keep updating you what is the progress of the student and you can keep interacting with them. So when the marketing slides comes up, I can explain you more better how it's going, how we are going to work together actually on this, and how it's going
Uh,
to, yeah.
Sir, if we want to introduce this summer internship programs or profile building programs to our connects,
Mhm.
so is there any kind of like marketing things or which like what images I can send to my connects and they will be aware about this programs are available? So,
Exactly. So on each category, we have after this webinar in the next week, we have the product training webinar. So what exactly I just gave you, I'm just giving you an overview. So we will
okay,
on each category we'll train you, and we'll also give you the this one what you call the testimonials of students who have taken it up. In this session also, I'll play a video. You will understand, and the collaterals, the brochure, the landing page from there, the website page rather. We can go there. A student can go there and understand. All these links you can share with your obviously with your client. So
okay.
that will happen. So these would be shared in the coming week. We will let you know the dates when these webinars are happening from the product team. Uh, right. Okay.
So directly we need to tell the students go to that website or go there and enroll for yourself and accordingly because if they are coming with our reference, so if they are directly applying to Univer, so how these things will be um,
So we for each
okay.
of you we will share a code actually. Okay.
Okay.
So the student gets a discount for themselves. So that's why they will like to use the code because they want some monetary benefit. So when they are using this code, we can track that this sale has come from you. So and we can pass you down the commission to it. We can also help you close last week only. So this I earlier did, as I mentioned in the Facebook post also, I did with the handpick of super counselor. They've already started recommending. Somewhere if you require that our counseling team need to speak to their parents and convince them, we can also help you with that actually. But obviously you should have a word with them. That's very important, because just by sending us the student's name or the parent's name won't do. Some level of interaction if you already had with the parent, then it makes easy actually for our team to get it closed for you. And once the student enrolls, you get the commission.
Okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, how this 6 weeks or 4 weeks, a time slot, how it is decided, I mean, divided?
So these are at the time of summer there will be different batches. Okay, so we will
Okay,
let you know when these batches, when these dates, depending on on that, the students can tell us which batch they want to join actually. So some people exams might some state exams or somewhere it would be a little early. Some like 10th grade student they have a board exam, 12th grade, 9th and 10th they may not have. Their summer might come early. So that way we will let you know the batches date, and accordingly you can recommend the student to take up the batch.
okay. So basically, I mean, it is a daily 1 hour or half an hour. What it is exactly?
No, so it's weekly thing. So they will ask the student to do complete these things per week. So that's how it goes actually. That's why I
Okay,
mentioned 6 weeks, 4 weeks.
okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. So the third category is the college admissions and test prep. So a lot of student wants to go abroad and study. You might know them. So this has deep preparation of entrance tests like SAT, ACT, deep counselor guidance, essays, application, one-on-one session with alumni at colleges. So this is another interesting session. There are so many institutes who prepare students for these coachings, and so we have coaching plus we have the entire the guidance to get them into the premium universities. Say for example, if a student both we have India and abroad. Say somebody is looking to get admission in MIT in engineering, there say mechanical engineering, we can also arrange. So Univer is a 7-year-old organization. There are thousands of students whom we have given these services. So they are our, clients, and they love to help somebody, as I was studying, say, for example, somebody wants to go to MIT, study in the US in mechanical engineering. So we can connect them and they can guide them also. How is the campus? What are the things they should look at? Is the faculty really good? So these kind of sessions are also there in the college admission and test prep category. We'll have a detailed discussions training on this as well also. It's a 6 to 24 weeks because the test preparation is a long thing, and plus also the service. It takes about a year and a half for students if they're planning for the universities in the UK, US, or Canada. There is a proper planning, a profile building, things happen there. Along with that, essays, LOR. So we call it the premium admission, service. So that's a year-long service. Along with that, the college, the preparation of the exams like SAT and ACT. So these are there actually. So India is also there, and abroad is also there. India, there are a lot of universities nowadays, especially the private universities like Ashoka, OP Jindal, these kind of universities look at the student's profile, and they also look at the SAT scores. So this is also a category, a good earning opportunity here. I'm sure you might come across students who want to go abroad or look at the non-STEM courses, in India. IIT and NIT medicals, those doesn't fall in this category. The STEM, if you're looking at OP Jindal, somebody wants humanity, those kind of courses actually fit in there, very well fit in there actually. The third category, okay, is the life skill. So this is also before I go to the this one, the pricing structure is 50,000 for India and 1,30,000 for abroad, US and UK. A student from 10th grade to 12th grade fit in there, 6 to 24 weeks program. The fourth category is the life skills and personality. This is with students can think of critical thinking courses, live sessions, mini project. This is also very important in today's world. So this is effectively for 4-week program, effectively for students from grade 8 to 11. It costs about 12,500. So I think these 4 categories are clear. Now let me move on to the next, the category. So you can see here. So these have all limited seats actually. So profile building, we have just 2,000 seats. Puma, we have a contract with them. We cannot afford to give them more than 2,000 students there. We have a limitation there. Internship also, Puma, we have 800. And profile building, we have our own, team strength to support 2,000 students. So these are not open. Please make sure that you are able to reach out to the right student and get them before the seats get filled up. College admission, we have 500 seats here. Life skills and personality, of course, that doesn't require much of this one. So there it's an unlimited seats. Okay.
One question. So when you talk about seats, so how do we as a counselor come to know the seats are getting filled at the right time? So would you be informing us or some?
Yeah, we will be informing up. Alerts would be there sent to you that seats are getting filled up. So you can actually the next slide will show you also how so that those are interesting slides, how you market these things, who is your right audience, and when you should start booking, and how quickly you can fill up the seats. So let me also tell you about your interest. I'm sure a lot of you would like to know about this. So profile building, we have, as we told, the charge is the student need to pay 20,000. Your commission is 6,000. All our taxes are extra, 20,000 plus taxes. Okay. Same internship, the student pays 20,000 plus taxes. Your commission is 4,000. And college and test prep, this category, the third category, for India it is 7,500. For abroad it is 15,000 commission per year. Life skills and personality, you get 2,000 rupees commission. This is your earning. You can calculate, how many students you can get in these categories. so that you can plan according. If you work from now, maybe till March, if you can understand, you can how many students you can get in and what would be your earning. You can just make a plan around it. So this is the commission structure. I'm sure you like it. 20,000 rupees, you get 6,000. That's pretty good. Internship also is good. 4,000 out of 20,000. And of course, college prep is a good money. 15,000 out of 1,30,000 and 7,500 for the India. And life skills, of course, 2,000. No time needed for you for servicing this. Okay, Univariety will take care of servicing the student. So that also you will save time and concentrate more. However, you will be informed on this, what is the update, how the things going on, each category of student. So we will always keep you in loop that what is the status of your student. The student will be yours only. You can track these students, what is the progress of student. And in future also you can sell your services like counseling services. It's not that it's coming to us. In future, if they even if they come to us and they take any service from us, still you get the commission. Okay, so no need to worry that if they come to us. So you will have a tracking mechanism that is also coming up by March, a proper dashboard. Super counselor have a dashboard, so they can track their progress of student. These will get linked up there. Even for non-super counselor, they will also get a dashboard to track to see the progress of their student. And even in the future, if they buy anything, you will come to know, and automatically the commission goes to you. Super counselor, the difference is the non-super counselor will just have the tracking mechanism. However, the super counselor have the complete dashboard of the entire technology. So that is the difference, in fact, for the tracker. Is it fine? Is clear? Any questions so far? Before I proceed, now this is something very interesting coming, and a little bit of attention required here before I take up the marketing part. Any questions around it? Shall I move forward?
Oh, yes. So would the slide be shared with the group or no?
This slide, this one, the one I'm having presenting now.
Yeah, the commission and the previous slide. The
Yeah.
four.
We will mail you across this.
Great, great. Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's move forward. This is something very important now. Now, I'm sure so far you've understood. So if you just do a small recap, we understood why summer programs, why product positioning is important for the counselors. That I think everybody got clarity. And second thing is that summer is a big business for counselors. Normally, we restrict ourselves with the counseling services, but now you have other opportunities. You have obviously your counseling service you can still render to your student. With that, obviously this summer tracks program, you get a larger audience. So basically, you have to identify your own audience. If you already have counseled students, if you have 100 students already you have counseled, or 50 students you have counseled so far, or even more actually. Now I have to identify which all are the students where I can position that. So you can upsell to your existing client base. Again, you can now, that there is another client base where that they don't require counseling services. They will never take your counseling services, but obviously they can look at these the programs. So somebody may not need counseling. Maybe they have taken counseling services beforehand. They might look at college admission and test prep from you, or maybe life skills. So these things that will increase your client base. Maybe tomorrow again they can come back and take your core counseling service from you. So this increase your revenue, earning opportunities. Now the big question is now, I have a base of students. I have counseled 50 or 100 or more than that, or maybe I haven't. I can just think of now who are the students I should approach for these products. So let's understand that. This is a very important section, right? So the target audience. So you have to understand by the target audience, so different categories. When you are as a counselor or as a marketer, actually you have to really understand that whom should I approach. If I approach 10 students, out of which 8 students or 7 students should agree to take up this study. Rather than I'm approaching to 200 students, out of which 2-3 are just taking. I'm wasting my energy, time. So first I should really analyze the student, that is the student really worth taking. If I approach, will the student buy? So I have to identify that, and then I position these products. It's also very important that no point of recommending all the products. Different category products are for different people actually. So we will learn from these slides. Just for to remember, down below we have, if you see in the presentation, first is profile building, second is internship, third is college admission and test prep, and fourth is life skills. Okay. So target audience by mindset. This is a very important factor. So so we get 3 types of students. Okay, one is a confused student. Then we have some students who have partial clarity, some students who have full clarity. I'm sure you might have come across this kind of students. And so confused student doesn't know which career to choose, where to study, no clarity at all. These kind of students are there. Then partial clarity, some student might think, okay, yeah, I know I am thinking of law, I'm thinking of engineering, maybe fashion designing, not sure. Some clarity the student has, but not very clear that which one to proceed with actually. Full clarity, I want to do engineering in IIT, I'm doing coaching, I will try to get a rank there in engineering and get into IIT, or I will take up the state colleges and university. These are the full clarity. I want to do medicine. This is what I have to do. I'm taking coaching. I want to get into medicine. So these are the people with full clarity. Or maybe some student will also find that I want to do fashion design. I've already started preparing for these tests, and I will take up that as my career. So these 3 category of students we get. So confused students. So profile building is absolutely a good seed there. You can position profile building there. So you can see 1, 2, and 4. So 1 is profile building, 2 is internship, and 4 is life skills and personality. Third doesn't come in here. Doesn't make the student is not clear what to do. So why he will or she will prepare for college admission and test prep. Okay. So 1 to first, obviously your first positioning is the profile building. As soon as you find a confused student that doesn't know what to do, strongly recommend profile building. Second is internship, and then 4 is lifestyle and personality. Student who have partial clarity. Okay, these are the students who want to explore, who have explored something. Obviously, that's why they have come to 2-3 careers have come in their mind. So these obviously profile building comes in there, second internship, and then lifestyle. For them, it's also there. Full clarity student, obviously college admission and test prep comes first. For them, it doesn't matter much because they have their clarity. And of course, the first category is profile building. So if they have clarity, if they are of non-STEM type students who have clarity, design karna hai, they want to do design, or they want to do maybe fashion, or maybe laws, whatever. If they have those clarity clear, so those kind of non-STEM courses, profile building comes up. Also, students who are looking to go abroad, they also require a profile when they apply for these colleges abroad actually. Fourth category is then fourth we have life skills and personality. Yes, some student would require that. That's give them confidence to get into these colleges for the interview and other purpose. So the parental awareness is the next category. You should identify what kind of parent also you're going to speak. Some parent are unaware, some parent are somewhat aware, some parent are fully aware. Something similar to the student. Unaware student, first and 2, profile building and internship. First, see the first country course and career choice. First, that you make it out and then start working towards the profile. So profile building comes as a strong recommendation for students, for parents who are unaware what to do actually. Then comes, of course, internship. They can explore and decide which career or which course is suitable for them. somewhat aware parent. Okay, these are, first is profile building for them. They would like to explore. Obviously, internship comes second, and then of course the life skill and personality. Fully aware parents. First comes number three, college and admission test prep, and then comes the profile building. So the fully aware parents, this is also, I will give you my example actually. Who are these fully aware parents? So my son did his grade 10 last year actually, and so we have been observing him from a while that his inclination was towards arts. He used to participate in dramas and paintings and those things. And then we had a counseling session. We understood that he's looking his career in design. Okay. So what we decided, I'm lucky that I'm part of Univariety. So obviously I had the access of the best counselor, and of course our CEO Jaideep was also there. So we decided that not to send him to school actually. Why to send him to grade 11 and 12? No point of sending, because he wants to do design. None of the schools, the normal schools, they don't offer this kind of course. So he will just waste time there and get tired. Instead of that, let him join our Univariety design team. So he's working here as an intern with our Univariety design team. We put him in NIOS, this private board that has very easy subjects, 4 or 5 subjects he has chosen, and from there, so that is very easy to pass actually. And he is preparing. He took admission also in BRTS, Bhavar Rathore Singh. That's a design coaching center, training center actually. So what he's doing now today is that he's doing his test preparation. So that's the number 3 category, Bhavar Rathore Singh, BRDS. And life skills, of course, the school had given, so that's not much required. And his automatically his profile is also getting built up. Good thing is that he has started earning. He's doing freelancing work now. Now he has collected money for his laptop, 40,000-50,000 the last 2 months he have earned, and now he has started. He's going to buy his laptop from his own money. So what I'm trying to say here is that if the student, so these kind of examples might come up in your discussions also when you speak to the parents. So when somebody is fully aware, the college test preparation comes strongly. Those kind of parents you will find. Now you can relate with my example. Who are those fully aware parents, and how you can position these products to them? Any questions so far? Okay, I move forward. So target audience by school and level. Yes, so this is another category. We have curriculum. We know that we have CBSE and ICSE, state boards, IB and IGSE. So let's see what we recommend for these kind of boards. CBSE, they obviously they don't have much of profile building activity in their school, ICSE and CBSE. So profile building comes strongly there. Then internships, and then number 4, life skills. State boards, life skills should be positioned first, because they don't get that exposure in their schools, in the state board schools. Then of course the internship, they can explore what are the careers suitable for them. And finally profile building. Profile building, we have seen state board students very rarely comes up actually there. So you as a counselor should always go with the first choice, second choice. That's it. Don't, the fourth choice is fine. It could be upsell something, but yeah, but just when you're recommending, recommend 1 max 2, not more than that. So identify very carefully why we are showing you for each category. Then you can relate that who is your student. This presentation also I will send across to you. Refer to these students, this presentation before you reach out to each category of students. IB board, yes, so they get a lot of exposure. So no point of putting internships to them. Profile building, yes, they normally look at admissions abroad where profile is important, and the other category, the non-STEM courses. So profile building, IB is a very easy sell of profile building actually. If you get an IB student or an IGC student, profile building easily goes. we have seen normally all of them take up the profile building, this activity. If they are going abroad, SAT coaching, if they have taken it, fine. If they have not taken it, then position the college admission and test. Ask them, are they taking anywhere any coaching or something for SAT and this kind of service, or are they taking any premium overseas admission service? If they haven't started, because if you're looking, if somebody, if any parent, any student is looking for admissions abroad, so there is, as I was telling, it's a year-long service. So they have to time they have to prepare the essay, LOR, SOP, all those things are there, visa. So that's about a 1 year service. Ask them if they're taking any, not those, when we say premium overseas services, when they're looking at the better colleges, the Ivy League and other things. The smaller colleges, obviously they go to the consultant. So those are not that category where they just go to a consultant and pay them money, and any smaller category college they get in. So those are not the college admission test prep. Normally we have seen people, Australia, Canada, these kind of places, when they target, they just somehow want to get there. Any college doesn't make a difference for them. So those number 3 category doesn't come there. When we are speaking the number 3 category, the college admission and test prep, is when the student is really trying to get into a good quality college in US, UK. They basically fit in here. Class 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. 8th means now the students who are going in grade 8 in March or something. Now they are in grade 7 actually. For grade 8 internships, they should start exploring from grade 8, life skills and personality. Grade 9, 1, 2, 4. Okay, profile building and internships. And then we have number 4 is life skills. Of course, from grade 9 also it fits in. Grade 10, 1, 2, and 4. Okay, profile building, internship, life skills. 11th, 1, 3, 2. Profile building. Number 3 is admission. They started preparing for their entrance exam. So 3. And then, of course, the internships. Grade 12, if they haven't taken up any college admission or test prep, they haven't started yet, then we can position number 3. Or if they haven't taken any premium overseas counseling services. And then number 1 is, of course, the profile that will help them to get admission. Target audience by choices. India, somebody is looking admission in India. Internships, profile building, that comes in. Internship comes first because India, most of the students and parents will have clarity issue. What shall I take up? So internship gives more better clarity. Then comes the profile building. Abroad as backup. So this is an interesting category. Just understand this. This is again a big, big our target audience. So these kind of people, they think of what they try is that they might be trying that. Okay, my son is trying for, my daughter is trying for IIT or this kind of courses here. If they don't get IIT, then we will look at MIT or some Stanford or some colleges in US or UK. They take US as backup actually, or UK as backup. The problem with these students is, so why I told you they're a great or target audience for us, is that they obviously keep as backup, but they don't prepare the backup. They don't work on their backup. They just say that, okay, if they don't come, obviously I will get there and I will try there. This backup is something like you have kept a stepney in your car, but that's a flat tire. That's a punctured stepney. It's not going to work out actually. So when you are looking as abroad as backup, definitely you should look at profile building, internship, and life skills. These 3 things you simultaneously. The coaching maybe you are taking in Akash or some test prep of engineering and this kind of courses. But with that, you should also work on these things. So as a counselor, you should explain them. If you're taking as backup, please make backup strong. If it fails, then it easily comes out here. Definitely abroad, obviously easy choice, number 3 and number 1. Okay. So number 3 is college prep and profile building. Career choices, the traditional careers. law, engineering, medicine karna hai, fine. We know that they don't require profile building. I've told earlier also. No, so for them, they can explore. Probably they're confused with these three careers. They can take up internship, understand these three careers, and whatever the choice, student can take it up. Life skills and personality. Willing to explore. These are those students and parents. They have some exposure. They have got exposure actually, and they have 4 or 5 career choices might have come into their mind, so they want to explore. Profile building could help them get clarity. Internships also can get clarity. So first and second comes a strong recommendation, and then finally life skills and personality. The new age career, I want to design, fashion, and all these new careers which has come up. Obviously profile building, these kind of careers requires a profile in admission. Then college and test prep. Problem with these new careers, the new age careers, parents are not aware what test prep. As I was giving you my example, what are the for design, what is NID, what is NIFT, what is UC. Parents and students are not aware where to get coaching. Obviously, we fit in there smartly actually. Then comes of course internship. So target audience by other factors: affordability, middle class. Middle class is 4 and 2. Upper middle class 1 to 4. Profile building, internship, and life skills. And then rich, well off, they can obviously look for test prep, and they're looking for abroad, might be. So 3 comes in, and then 1 profile building. Current location, small town. Okay, small district towns, small towns. 2 and 4. So they don't get much of exposure. The first thing is to put is internship. They don't know about much of these careers. And then of course life skill, that is also they don't get much of exposure in life skills and personality. Small town, profile building, positioning profile building would be difficult. So 2 and 4 works out well there. Mid-sized cities, Patna, Bhubaneswar, Bhopal, these kind of cities you can relate to the size. Profile building could come in. Of course, they want exposure and life skills and personality. Metros: Calcutta, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Profile building is strongly required. Obviously, they have got some exposure, so they want to conclude on that. So internship fits in well there, and then of course, if they are looking for the admissions actually, so they can look at college admission as well. I'm just going to stop my screen here, and I'm going to play a video actually. Okay, I'm sure that will give you better exposure. 1 second, just be tuned. Just give me a second. Anybody is having any questions so far?
No, it's good. Thanks.
Okay. So I'm going to play this
Sir?
video. Yeah.
Sir, can we use this presentation to give our networks or our students to make them understand exactly what is it, and how this program and summer programs can help them to enroll? So
We have different collaterals around it. So this is for your understanding. We will share it for you. You can keep referring it to these. So now I think a lot of clarity you might have got, which student to target actually, and how to target which product will fit in. So for your learning, you can use this presentation to share with the students and parents. We have different set of collaterals. We will share with you. Those are much easy for them to understand.
One more question. With your experience and knowledge, so you are in, just wanted to know, when is the right time to approach the students for summer programs? Post April when they move into the new sessions, or how do you what would you suggest?
We will suggest you. The next slides will suggest you when to go. Just happen. I'll let you know definitely.
And sir, can we have a small introduction of like Univariety to tell them that this is like Univariety and they are offering this kind of summer programs. So if you are interested, so they can enroll. So because they definitely want to know
Yeah,
what it
obviously.
is.
So these are part of the collaterals. So we put those when we make these brochures. These some brochures are 1-pager, 2-pager. So our company credibility is also mentioned there. How long we are in this business, where we have tied up. Like we have these feathers in our cap, like UCL extension. We have tie up with the Fortune magazine also to grade the best schools of the country. We are Info Edge, the Naukri.com people. They are our investors. What are the schools we work all over country? What are the renowned schools? So those credentials would be there in the collaterals also, where the parent can relate and get confidence to send their students to us.
Hmm.
So just one more thing that comes to my mind is that you've given us so many things that would influence, what people would want,
Mhm.
what would define what they would want to buy. Another thing perhaps would be that where has the, which stage is the child or the parent approaching? Ninth में है, 10th में है या 11th में है, कितना time बाकी है?
Mhm.
Because suppose he comes in 11th and there is no clarity. He
Mhm.
can't do all of, he doesn't have 24 so much of time कि वो profile भी हो जाएगा, वो भी internship भी कर लेगा, college वाला भी हो जाएगा, life skills भी हो जाएगा. He won't be able to cover all, right?
So obviously,
Or how? I mean,
so
how
that's
will
what
it
that's why
comes to
we.
mind? Because I
Sorry.
have students who are crossing 10th right now. They're about to give boards.
Mhm.
Firstly, they are waiting for abhi preparatory boards finish hui hain, and then again February, March, so then boards will happen.
Mhm.
So then after March only, uh, and how does the student get across all of these if he has no clarity?
So to gain clarity, we are here, and it's obviously I
Hmm.
was telling position one track only. We cannot
Hmm.
do it. So
Yeah.
say somebody is in grade 11. So obviously it's
Hmm.
late now. So probably a
Hmm.
profile building or internship program could suit him. The student can do one only. If the
Hmm.
student would have approached in grade 9, so grade 9 the student might have done internship. Grade 11 the student might have done profile building, or maybe grade 10 the student might have done profile building. Ideally the student should approach a counselor from grade 8. So somebody if you have not approached, that's their bad luck and our bad luck also. But yeah, once
Yeah.
in a year
But
one track is good,
when
not all the tracks.
yeah, but when people come to us, they want that we may help them catch the bus, right? That is one of the things that they are looking at you, that look, make us reach somewhere,
Mhm.
at least. So that is the expectation. So where in that how do we, is there something fast track that we may
We
want
do
to work
sometimes.
out?
We do sometimes.
Because कुछ एक intermediary kind of a package sort of a thing, or fast track, because one is of course cost of the individual packages. When you put it all together, when somebody thinks, it becomes a lot. If
No,
somebody's
we
approached us
do get.
late, they still want to. There is an aspiration of
I understand
wanting
that.
to make it.
We get students of those
Um,
categories. In grade 12, people approach us that they want to go abroad. Now they want
mm,
admission in MIT or Stanford or this kind of. But those we can't do much that time. We can try whatever the best suitable
mm,
colleges for them, and then
mm,
these the college and test prep become shortened up. So the college and test prep has
mm,
even the profile building also that gets cuts down,
mm,
and lot of services get cuts down. Sometimes we reduce the price
mm,
on that also, because it's not
mm.
again now it's not a 1.5 year service, 1 year service. It's just a
Right. So
2 year.
but we are open to referring such clients also to you, right?
Yeah, yeah,
The
yeah.
latecomers,
See,
the late walk-in.
when we when we
Mm,
take up a student, we first see that we will be able to service or not. And if things are fine and
okay.
if they're okay with that, and obviously if you as a
Mm,
counselor who is introducing them, first we'll discuss with you only. that this is the case. Somebody came
Mm.
at the last moment and asking something big. If we are not able to do, we will not do.
Right.
So maybe sometimes we leave them. Sometimes we see that yes, it is
Right. Yeah.
we take up and we customize the programs that way. And
Right. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
so I'm going to play a video actually, and then again we'll go back to the slides. We are running out of time, so quickly I'll just play this video. With more and more. Let me share the screen, and then we start. Colleges looking beyond academics for enrollment. We reached out to some of India's bright. Are we able to hear? Shall I continue the video?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, great.
Yes.
To students to understand how it affected their college admissions.
Well, I wish it were that easy, but no, it's a milestone moment in any kid's life. But you can't have that moment just handed to you like that, right? You have to work hard for it. And the one thing was that I had already made up my mind that I wanted to pursue designing irrespective of my class 12 score.
Yeah, I think that's a misconception that a lot of people have, especially today. Because I mean, sure, I did get really good grades in my 10th grade examination, and I did pretty decently for my 12th grade examination. But I don't think colleges look for just your grades anymore at this point. I think they want to understand you as a person, what you can bring to the table, and that can't be gauged through just academics. Top colleges across the country today really just look at your academic scores as more of an elimination criteria. So what they're really trying to look through your, to this academically like awesome crowd is just this unique profile, right? So you, through your essay, what they're really trying to gauge is whether your ambition and whether your interest towards, whether you've really demonstrated interest towards the field that you're applying for.
Basically, it's what you bring to the table, what unique abilities that you have or unique capabilities that you have that you are trying to get into the university, and what change you can bring over there. So that is what matters. So now, why does NIFT have a 20% acceptance rate? So it is because only 2 out of 10 students who scored above the cutoff in the entrance test were able to actually demonstrate, that their candidature brought something to the table that NIFT thought was worth considering. So every college has its own litmus test, but in most cases, the interviews are the deciders. But you can't prepare anything for the interview because the admission board will ask you everything apart from your academics.
See, ultimately, they just want to get to know you, right? Who you are beyond the papers in your folder, whether you're genuinely interested in the course that you're applying for, and what really differentiates you from among the 40,000 others that are competing for the same seat.
Well, that's the point. Everyone in my college batch focused on academics, yes, but they also gave equal importance to relevant extracurriculars, and they built out a beyond academic profile for themselves.
So I was fortunate enough to understand this well myself, partly because my dad was in the education industry himself. Doing a lot of these extracurricular activities ultimately take up a lot of money and time. So then it becomes really imperative for you to choose those activities that really kind of bring out your uniqueness, as well as, of course, the idea is also to have fun, right? So it needs to be something that you'll have to do also. The thing is, right, in India, even if you're 1 in a million, right, there's like 1 lakh people that's just like you.
So yes, it is a lot of work, but it's important to understand that this is the new normal. You have to build a beyond academic profile to stand out. And this thing is here to stay. And anyways, it is also a great net practice for job and internship interviews in the future. Well, a beyond academic profile is sorely needed in today's day and age for college admissions. Academic scores provide only 50% of the student's intellectual capacity, and you need the other 50%. But that's the point, like just having a purely academic profile is not really testing your other capabilities and other
hinge a decision like this on a what if, right? You are going to college. Your application needs to be more than just your marks. There needs to be a reflection of everything that you've achieved so far, right? You are more than just your marks. I really just hope that everybody remembers that.
So we are back. All right. Just give me a second. So I think importance of profile building, you got enough clarity. These two kids who Univariety has serviced them last time, they did the profile building. They've taken up the profile building program from us. Tejaswani, she was the daughter of our CTO. Shiva, she got in Ashoka, and the other girl got into NID Anushka. So this is the impact of the profile building, how they can get it to these universities. You as counselors will get these kind of testimonials. You can share with the parents and student, which will these are self-explanatory. People can understand seeing these videos, that the what is the importance of profile building, and obviously they would get interested to take up the service from us. So coming back quickly, I think we are running out of time. I will just finish it up as quickly as possible. A few more things to discuss quickly about the when it is going to start, and yes. So the final questions: booking process, early access booking enrollment will begin from 26 Jans by our for the counselors, for the GCC and super counselors. Parents and students can book at 6,000 rupees, or they can pay the full. If they want to book, if they're not clear which one to take, they can book it by paying 6,000, and rest of the money they can pay before 15th of March. And if they have a change of mind also, that also is possible. If they want refund, we can provide them before 15th. After 15th, it's not possible. And by 15th, the batch date will be announced. When we are planning, they can choose which batch they want to enter, and accordingly, so you can start marketing now, so that as somebody was asking, I'm not able to see the faces actually when I'm sharing the screen. So uh, that's how it starts. And for the Univariety network, for our school partner school, it's opening on 30th. So you get an opportunity 4 days before actually. So you should start working today, and by 26th and till 15th, you should start getting your students enrolled for these programs. Their batches will start April, and these batches will come. These dates will be announced in the next sessions. When are these batches coming up? Accordingly, you can inform the parents. Yes, so that's it for today. I will just come back. Any questions before we? I think it was pretty clear. Any questions so far?
Arshad, hi Arshad, Sonali here.
Hi Sonali. Yeah.
Yeah, do we get a recording of this, because for some time my connection got disrupted?
We will send you. No worries.
Okay, thank you so much.
Recording and the presentation both actually.
Yeah, thank you.
Right. So before we leave, quickly, main points. Products are important for counselor to position to their students. Great earning opportunity, increasing their audience base. So that's why we should strongly position products. These products are unique. Nobody has it, and obviously very useful for career and college. Like profile building program is a unique product, absolute sellable product. Any student who's looking for STEM, for non-STEM courses or abroad, fits in there. Internships, these unique internships we have. Puma, we have exclusive partnership with them. We have only tied up with them. Along with that, the 10 VIP internships they can take up. And then we have the college test prepper, our premium overseas admission service has been excellent. We have almost about 95% satisfaction rate. Along with that, the test preparation with Collegify and these These other partners we have, they can, we take it from them. We have the life skills one also. You will come to know in details about this in the coming sessions. Next week, we'll let you know all the 3 sessions that I've conducted so far. All together, you'll now have the product training coming in. You understand the product, we'll share the collateral, start marketing. And your commissions are clear. Profile building 6,000. This one, internships, you get 4,000. This one, college test prepper, 7,500 for India and 15,000 for abroad. And we have the life skill is 2,000. The target segment also, it is understood now. You can go through the presentation again. Think of student. Don't go to 200 or 500 student. Look at those 20 students in your knowledge, how you reach out to them, how you position them strongly. Don't position all the tracks. They will not end up buying anything. Whatever you feel, you as a counselor feel that this is good for that student, just recommend that. If you think that the student should do profile building, just recommend that. If you feel that the student should do internships, recommend internship. Then don't recommend profile building. Do your homework before you position these products. Any help in closing these leads, we are there to help you. These leads remains with you. You will get a tracker, not now. By March, the tracker is coming. The technology is getting updated. You will also come to know what is the, in future also, if they're buying anything, you get commissions out of it. We will share a code. The students can put the code. We can track, or even if beforehand, I think Rupali has already shared one student with us. We have Naida. She has also shared 1 or 2 students. So we have started, we had a discussion with your student Rupali. I think the counselor did speak yesterday, I believe, yesterday or today. I'm not sure, but I got a mail that your
Okay.
okay. So we will keep updating on this. So that's how we work together. You succeed and Univariety also, and make your counseling practice strong. It's not limited to GCC super counselor. Everybody can take it up. Both of all category counselors are invited in this summer track program. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I think we just ran out of time. Thank you so much for coming. Any questions?
Thank you.
Just message me or WhatsApp me. I'm happy to connect back and explain you in details again. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.